Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are here with our next lecture, which is vocabulary words. Our first word is irresponsible. Irresponsible mean गैर जिम्मेदार. Our second word is irritate. Irritate mean तंग करना. तंग करना. Our next word is isolate. Isolate mean अलग करना. Isolate अलग करना. Our next word is judgment. Judgment mean फैसला. Judgment फैसला. Justify जवाब पेश करना. Juxtaposition आमने सामने होना. Juxtaposition आमने सामने होना. Not गिरा. Not गिरा. Night बहादुर. Night बहादुर. लैंडस्केप ज़मीनी मंजर. लैंडस्केप ज़मीनी मंजर. एंड अवर लास्ट वर्ड इज लैटिट्यूड. लैटिट्यूड मीन फैलाव. So students, that's all about today's lecture, which is vocabulary words. As your home task, learn all these vocabulary words and write on your rough binders. Take very good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.